How's it? Morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Marestein Park, Edenvale. We're quickly going to fit two DC Blue Absolute roll-up garage door motors. But before we can do that, we need to check that our garage doors are spring tension is correct. Otherwise, the garage door motors won't last, and your factory warranty of 3 years cannot be implemented. So I'm just going to quickly look. You can see this garage door is falling down to the ground. The other one is also falling down to the ground. That means we need to adjust the springs on the roll-up garage doors. In order to get a balanced system. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, if you're not well trained in this exercise, don't do it, because it can be dangerous. So what we first do is we remove the locking pin. Then what's going to happen, we're going to lift the garage door motor up into the air. Sorry, the garage door. And then we're going to slide the motor in onto the shaft. And then we're going to tension the springs of the garage door. As you can see, the motor is in onto the shaft. Just going to keep it like that in place. Then we're going to quickly tension the garage door springs a bit. Done with the tensioning of the garage door springs. You'll see now it doesn't fall to the ground anymore. So that's a nice sign that your garage door springs are correctly tensioned. So now if we push it down, yes, it does close fully. And your garage door motor does not have need to use a lot of power to open the garage door. We're done with tensioning the garage door springs. Just want to quickly test it and show it to you. Any balanced garage door will not fall down to the ground. I'll just quickly show you. You can clearly see that that garage door is now balanced. Just going to use the left garage door as an example to show you that we still need to tension these springs. And that's what's wrong. So if you compare the two, there we go. If you look at these arms, they need to protrude in the slots. Now the normal slots are not big enough, so you need to adjust, modify it so that it fits in flush and lekker tight. But you need to note where you do this. Right, now we can secure the motor. And we're going to also pin it. Pinning it means you're putting in a bolt extra. Should the U-bolt come loose, you don't have to worry about it. Right, so the first motor is in. The electrical wiring has been secured with some cable ties. The controller is in. We're going to now move over to the next garage door motor. Slid onto the shaft. We now need to make sure that the slots are big enough and correct, and then we can fit the motor. The controller box will be next to the other one there. We're done with the installation of both garage door motors. Both are getting power from power source, double point plug. Garage door motor, the red is your manual release rope. There's one on the left as well. You've got your two controller boxes. The new ETDC Blue Absolute roll-up garage door motors. You want them installed like this. Let's quickly test it. You can hear how smooth they are. And you know what to do. Let's quickly test them. If you want it done like this, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288, or Amanda, 083 719 2250, here in Gauteng. Thanks guys.